Yebo. All right. Injalo. Ayijiki uma isinje. Right. I saw the communication bafethu when I was live on Facebook. We spoke. I also saw Onjibani, forgot his name, that guy. Right. So, yes, I have been running a clearance thing, ne? That's true. I have been running it. It's actually since the first. Or it was in Mtlatedi or Mtlatedi, I can't remember. But it was then. It's been about 7 days since we've been running that. Right? And everything that was there is on that list next. So obviously, let me show you something. Let me show you a package that was done with some of those things. It is what it is. Let me show you, ne? It's there. Let me see on the corner. There's multiple things there on that list. It's about 20 different things that you can choose from, ne? See? There, it's on that list. The one will always be there. See? Even Ngobi is there. Multiple things Bafethu that are there, particularly maximum, you can only get a maximum of 5 on the thingamabob, ne? So details are there. This thing is simple. You speak to us via WhatsApp 062 652 4346, ne? You don't have to write it or ring or nani. Click on the picture icon, select what you want. It's there, Chief. The moment you select whatever, it goes directly to my team Lapa. Then obviously if you're going to be ordering the packages, all packages you'll find, you'll see. Details are there coming from McLeod. Then obviously you'll see me there, you'll see all our stuff, everything, all the details are there for you, Chief. Right? Definitely catch me on the feedback shows. Definitely catch me on my live shows. Society people. You want to speak to my people via the society? Join us. Join us on the live shows. Right? Join us there. Okay? Maybe, just maybe, I might do a conference with the society folks. I've only showed you 8 people. There's about 30, 40 of them. Mangtanda. Maybe today, if back on, maybe we'll go and do another show. Siyesikhulume namaXhosa wodwa, siyesikhulume namaPedi wodwa, namaZulu wodwa, what. Angithi you want to separate, we'll do that to show you ukuthi lento yemimoya is extremely broad. All right? Speak to me, Bafethu. Let's talk. Speak to us. Because I'm not always around. Speak to us. Take it from there. Dango. Right?